Today I want to make a cake and my mom's going to help me, and we have a 30 cups of milk, cake powder, a bowl, what's it called?
It's baking tray.
It's a baking tray and some oil. So let's get started. So we need a baking powder. Let's open this up. Okay guys, let's open this box. And here's the powder. Whoa. Here's the powder. So let's open this up. This is how much powder we need. And my mom's going to help me. Now guys, let's pour it. So our plan of make a mess, so do be careful. All finished. Now we need to add some milk. Add it. And my mom's going to help me. Now guys, let's mix it and then add it in here. So, mix, mix, mix. We need 75 of milk, oil, and now let's pour it. Now guys, I mixed the batter very well, so let's bake it in the oven. Now guys, let's pour it. Now I need to mix it with a spoon. Okay guys, now my cake is done. Now let's cut it. Now guys, my cake is all done, but it's very hot, so I'm going to cool down and then it's all finished. Bye guys, I hope you like my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification right there to see my new kid video. And I live under the pool and iCard over there. And then so you can watch more of my cooking videos. And bye!